Deputy Chief Minister Badipet Yakatanat Parliamentary Affairs Uba Prestone Tynsong mentaka sniul ong bagi dekot jangka yang dor bar tauan ki haban peniyaj daladi kat kum ki kendon balabu. Ketika kerwa kalami hadian bau MLA ke VPP Uba Arden Miller Basayomon mentaka sniul kentaj ban pan jubab halor ke jing terwa jong menteri katanat puli putih batwat ban penlong ke jing ki. Uba Tynsong ula ong bakas senggala mudui daka FIR persya yang menteri katanat puli putih halor ka jing keno bau kren ben bat ka an kan sa shim yala ka jong kalanti ugla kan taj ru ya ka jing keno jong ka TMC ba ka NPP ka ju penrung seng ki wei pat ki MLA jong ki wei pat ki party.
See, if he's saying that, again the law is there. Go file FIR or go to the appropriate legal body. Let them step in and investigate. Because, just a mere allegation by saying that, Prestone maybe has already, paid this X amount or B amount or whatever to Shri so and so, Honorable MLA, this, that. I think that is totally wrong. So what I'm trying to tell you is, see, allegation is allegation. I don't know, he said investigation. What investigation? Better you initiate. If you have some kind of doubts, there are agencies where you can go, file and submit your petition. Then those agencies can take up the matter and then they will come to a conclusion.